In this video lecture, we will discuss about best dropshipping suppliers in USA. By now, I do believe you now have the full understanding of the subject matter, dropshipping and its potential as starting an online business. But before you agree down with the specific suppliers, it is necessary you rail this to the end. While number of the handles the partnership product, other have a large collection of products that could just be right tools you are checking out for. In order not to waste your time, I have the top best suppliers in USA. Assist and improve your dropshipping business. The first one is Spocket. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that helps you to find products from different suppliers in US. Then ship your products on your customers. Having a large database of suppliers from the US, Spocket allows you to dropship US products to customers all over the world and very fast within USA. Spocket was founded in 2017, been one of the latecomers on the dropshipping industry, and since then Spocket has grown to be one of the major suppliers from the United States, Europe, United Kingdom, Germany, and many others. They literally ship their product all over the world, and this qualifies Spocket as a global dropshipping platform. Here is the best part: Spocket does not just help you find a supplier, it makes it easy to automatically your store using Spocket and the dropshipping platform. On Shopify, Spocket has a rating of 4.5 from out of 1700 reviews. Needless to say, this is an excellent platform having their own suppliers directory. You don't need all aliexpress to source product from suppliers. Features of Spockets. To begin with, Spocket offers an advanced solution to dropshipping. You can do more than just finding a supplier. This tool allows you to set up a store and automatically signs your store with your suppliers using the Spocket Marketplace. In that case, you don't have to manually place your products on your dropshipping stores. It allows you to automatically forward your products listing on their platform to your own dropshipping website. Fast delivery. Unlike the usually long time delivery with AliExpress, Spocket allows you to enjoy much faster delivery of your products between 3 to 5 working days. Since most of the suppliers are based in Europe and the US, this makes it easy for them to ship the product faster to your customer. Branded invoicing. These features allow you to brand the product you are selling. You could have a customized logo and even send a personalized note to your customers. With this, you can easily build trust and customer loyalty within a short period of time by enhancing your customers' shopping experience. Customer support. If there is one thing Spocket is good at, it is a customer support. They offer a reliable customer support service via mobile phone, live chat, and email address. And second one, US trusted supplier is Inventory Source. Inventory Source is one of the top players when it comes to dropshipping suppliers in the USA with a database of over 230 suppliers currently providing various kits of products as well as delivering them to the final customer. What is interesting about this platform is that it comes with automation software built for dropshipping. The tool provides a free suppliers directory where you can get suppliers from. And aside from that, inventory source makes it possible to sign suppliers product directly to virtually all e-commerce platforms. In that respect, you can easily integrate inventory source with Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Amazon, eBay, and many other e-commerce platforms. Although inventory source has a small database of suppliers over 230, they allow you to manually add your own supplier to their database. This means you can import or integrate products data from other websites and use the inventory source automation tool for your dropshipping business. Needless to say, inventory source is powerful and it's simple to use for beginners. They offer three plans. They offer a free plan for their directory. The inventory automation plan costs $99 per month and the full automation plan costs $150 per month. And the third one is worldwide brands. Worldwide Brand is one of the oldest wholesaler directory listing dating as far back as 1999. The directory boasts of manually vetted wholesaler and suppliers offering millions of products. You can easily search the directory by using the product name, brand name, and business location. Plus, Worldwide Brand offers a mobile app to search and find suppliers for your products. There is a mobile app for both Android and iOS. And needless to say, this makes the process of finding the wholesale simpler. Most of the suppliers are wholesalers on the platform are verified businesses in the USA. Only a small percentage of their suppliers are non-USA based. Their product offering are basically in the thousands of categories. And the best part of that, you don't need to pay a recurring subscription fee like most other dropshipping suppliers directories. All they charge is a one-time fee of $299 for unlimited access to their directory and products. However, this can be expensive at first, but over time it appears to be way cheaper than their competitors. But the tool is not without glitches too. Their website is outdated, looking very old fashioned, making it look like their directory has not been updated for a long time while it has. While it's best for Amazon and eBay dropshipping, it signs it is not good for individual e-commerce store platform and not the best for beginners. Worldwide Brand only goes as far as getting your supplier alongside handling all the essential details you need to know about the suppliers. In essence, you would be working directly with the suppliers. While this would give you some reasonable discount, you would need prior experience of dropshipping in order to go this route. Also, the ability to import products from a supplier directory to your store doesn't wear hair. In the next video lecture, we will discuss the remaining United States suppliers. Thank you very much.